I tested 5 AI tools for 24 hours to see if they actually save time or just waste it. Here's what I found. AI tools are everywhere right now, but not all of them are actually useful. So I decided to test a few and see which ones are worth it. First, I tested ChatGPT. I used it for writing, ideas, and solving simple tasks. It was fast, accurate, and honestly saved me a lot of time. Next, I tried Notion AI. It helps with writing, organizing notes, and managing tasks. It was useful, especially for productivity, but not as powerful as ChatGPT. Still, it's worth using for organization. Then I tested Zapier. This tool is all about automation. It connects different apps and automates tasks. It's powerful, but it takes some time to set up and understand. For beginners, it might feel a bit complex, but it's still very useful. Next, I tried Midjourney. This tool creates high-quality images using AI. The results were impressive and perfect for thumbnails or designs. However, it's not the easiest to use at first, especially for beginners. Finally, I tested Pictory. This tool turns scripts into full videos automatically. It's great for content creators who want to make videos quickly without advanced editing. The results were decent, but not perfect. After testing all of these tools, not every AI tool is worth your time, but some of them can genuinely save you hours if used correctly. If you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe.